When you are building the world's largest telescope that will answer many of humanity's mysteries, there are bound to be delays. After all, things never go to plan, and unexpected hiccups come up. That is why the James Webb Telescope was delayed for 15 years. Perfection, precision, and skills take time, which is what has gone into this telescope. It is a 21-foot wide telescope that will observe the distant space at least 1 million miles from the sun. Of course, everything about the telescope will be kept cool through a sun shield, i.e., if it ever takes off one day. During its earliest stages, NASA announced in 2011 that it would launch in 2018. However, it was pushed a year, and the launch was supposed to happen in 2019. After that, they decided to push the date to May 2020, and we did not see that happening. The telescope was recently supposed to launch on the 18th of December, but the date has been pushed a few days further. So why does this keep happening? And why is NASA not launching the telescope after spending more than a decade on it? Well, in simple terms, a launch is about getting it right, and NASA wants to be as confident as possible before setting the course of this telescope into space. After all, there will be no way of fixing the issues once the telescope is out there and something goes wrong. That is why the pre-launch phase is all about getting out the kinks, so the James Webb Telescope is in the best shape in space. The latest reason for the delay is because a high-tension clamp band, which was created to secure the telescope to the rocket, was released unexpectedly. The event took place on the launch site, and technicians are trying to fix the issue. That is because if the band is loose in space, the telescope will not be secured to the rocket, and it will get lost in space. These delay incidents are nothing new. They've been happening for the past 15 years, which is why the telescope is not in space yet. NASA will not let the telescope go unless everything is in perfect condition. Because of this reason, we can keep expecting delays in the launch. Working on something of this magnitude is never easy, and sending it out in space without ensuring everything is a big risk. After all, billions of dollars, decades of time, effort, and resources have been spent on this machine. So if you are ready for the launch of the James Webb Telescope, you might want to tone down your excitement levels for a little bit more. It will take time, but NASA will perfect this telescope, and we will get answers to questions we have been asking since our creation. Let's hope that everything goes well, and soon we can see this beauty reach where it's meant to go in space.